Welcome back. In this video, we'll see the topic modules in Python. Modules are files containing Python functions. These functions are specified as definitions and statements. Python has a standard library which can be extended to a programmer as modules. These modules can be made available to the user in two ways. The first one is by using import and the second one by using from. In this program, we'll see how to import the modules using the import keyword. The syntax for this is import followed by the module name. Here we'll take the example of the math module. This module has a number of mathematical functions defined in it. So for example, here we are using square root function and power function. So for this, we are getting the input from the user and storing it in x. In order to find the square root of x, we have to use the syntax module name dot function name. So that is math dot square root followed by the parameters of the function. So here we are passing x as the parameter to the square root function. Similarly, in order to find the power of x, we have to use the syntax math dot power of two parameters here, x comma 2. That is, x is the base and 2 is the exponent. The answer will be stored in A. And finally, both the values are printed. Let's see the output. So enter the number. I entered 10. The square root value is equal to 3.16227 and the square value is 100. So this is a very simple program to demonstrate how to import a module to the program. Thank you for watching.